Hello everyone, I'm Kapil Mahani, co-founder of Cretum Advisory and working on the theme of Impetus for investment in India. So our theme is in line with the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji. In line of that theme, we have conducted interviews come webinar with Invest India team, wherein we understood the role of Invest India, which is a non-profitable organization, in bringing investment into India and how they are rolling out the roadmap for investment in India. And then in the second part of the webinar, we have invited Mr. Vijay Goyal, who was the past advisor to Deputy Prime Minister of United Kingdom, and took the insights about the UK and European business houses and what is the perception and strategy which they are looking for investment in India. Now, considering UAE is one of the top contributor to FDI, so we are doing today a live webinar with Crowe UAE, Mr. Zayd, who is the international agent partner, who handles the queries for investment into India and specifically focusing on the same theme which we are working upon. So join today the live webinar at our YouTube channel. And in case you wish to have any questions from Mr. Zayd, then you can register and raise questions also on the below link. So looking forward to meet you all. Thank you. Have a good day.